I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you practice questions on double angle formula. The question here is express as a single sine or cosine function. We have four functions here. Let me remind you of the formulas, which are sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a cos a, and cos 2a could be written as cos square a minus sine square a. If I write in terms of cos square a, it could also be written as 2 cos square a minus 1. In terms of sine square a, I could write this as 1 minus 2 sine square a, right? So cosine function has three formulas. Let's begin with the very first one. 2 cos 4x, 2 sine 4x cos 4x. So a is 4 for us, right? So I could straight away apply the formula and write this as sine 8x, which is twice 4x. So 2 times 4x, which is same as sine 8x, correct? So here it's a direct application of double angle formula. Sine a cos a 2 times will give you sine 2a, right? So twice x. Cos square 3x minus 1, 2 times cos square 3x minus 1. So we'll apply this formula, which gives you directly cos twice the angle. So it is equals to cos of 2 times 3x, which is cos 6x, correct? The next one here is the difference of squares, and a is given to us as 2x over 3. So twice a is cos 2 times 2x over 3, which is same as cos of 4x over 3. Perfect. The last one here is 1 minus 2 sine square 4x, which is similar to the third one here, 1 minus 2 sine square a. A is 4x, twice a will be 8x. So I could write this as cos of 8x. So I hope that is clear. We'll take up a few more examples to practice. So let us continue with writing or expressing a single sine or cosine function. Two more examples are 6 sine square 2x minus 3 and 1 minus 2 sine square pi by 4 minus x by 2. So if you recall, the formula is, let me write down here. Okay, let's write down here. Cos 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square a, correct? So we have to write it in this form to use the double angle formula. So I could write this as, if I factor out minus 3, let me factor minus 3. In that case, what do I get? I get, since I'll write this term first, minus 3, I could write this as 1 minus 2 times sine square 2x. Is it okay? I did so that I could write it in the form of 1 minus 2 sine square a. Now if you compare 1 minus 2 sine square a should be equals to cos 2a. That means cos of 2 times a is 2x. And that could be written as minus 3 cos of 4x. Is it okay? So that is how you could do it. You may also do it in 2 steps. Let's redo. 6 sine square 2x, 2x minus 3 could be written as, you can take 3 common, and then you get sine square 2x minus 1, and then you take minus 1 common, then becomes the same thing, writing this as 1 minus sine square, when you take 2, it will be 2 here, 2 times sine square 2x, right? So you could do like this also, but this is preferred. Okay, let's redo the second one, which is 1 minus 2 times sine square pi by 4 minus x by 2. I could directly apply this formula. As you can see, for us here, a is equals to pi by 4 minus x by 2, right? So I could write this as cos of 2 times x by 4 minus x by 2. And that gives you cos of, if you open the bracket, you get x by 2 minus, not x by 2, this is pi, I'm sorry. So it's pi by 2 minus x. And what is cos pi by 2 minus x? Cos pi by 2 minus x is sine x. Correct? So you get sine x for part B. So I hope that helps you to understand how to write expressions using double angle formula. Thank you and all the best.